What is difference between double equals to and equals method in Java? The double equals to operator compares object references, meaning it checks if both variables point to same object. The equals method compares the actual content of objects. That's why equals method is preferred when comparing strings or objects. What happens internally when you call system.out.println in Java? System is a final class that contains a static variable called out. Out is an instance of print stream which is initialized when JVM start. When you call println function, the data is converted into bytes and returned to the standard output stream. Finally, the operating system displays it on the console. Java interview question. Why is main method in Java declared as public static? The main method must be public so the JVM can access it. It is static because the JVM does not create an object before calling the main method. This allows the program to start execution. Java interview question. Why is wait method called inside synchronized block in Java? Because wait method releases the monitor lock of the object. Only a thread that owns the object's lock can call the wait method. If wait method is called outside the synchronized block, the JVM throws an illegal monitor state exception. This ensures the thread coordinates happens safely. Why does Java not support multiple inheritance using classes? Answer. Java avoids multiple inheritance with classes to prevent ambiguity. It eliminates the diamond problem, where the JVM cannot decide which parent method to inherit. Instead, Java supports multiple inheritance using interfaces, which provides a clear controlled design. Java interview question. Why is wait method defined in the object class and not the thread class? Answer. Because wait method works on an object's monitor, not on a thread. Every object in Java has a monitor lock, which is used for thread synchronization. Placing wait method in object allows any object to be used for inter-thread communication. Java interview question. Why is volatile not enough for thread safety in Java? Answer. Because volatile keyword guarantees visibility, not the atomicity. It ensures that changes made by one thread are immediately visible to the other threads, but operations like increment are still not atomic. So synchronization is required for thread safety. Java interview question. What is the purpose of transient keyword in Java? Answer. Transient prevents a variable from being serialized. When an object is written into stream, transient fields are skipped. This is useful for sensitive data like passwords or temporary values. Java interview question. Why must hashcode method be overridden when equals method is overridden? Answer. Because the contract of hashcode method and equals method must be consistent. If two objects are equal according to equals method, they must return the same hash code. Otherwise, hash-based collections like hashmap will not function correctly. Java interview question. Why is string builder faster than string buffer? Answer. Because string builder is not synchronized. String buffer adds synchronization for thread safety, which introduces performance overhead. In single-threaded scenarios, string builder performs better. Java interview question. What is difference between class.forName method and classLoader.loadClass method? Answer. Class4name method loads and initializes the class immediately. ClassLoader.loadClass method only loads the class without running static initializers. Initialization happens later when class is first used.